Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Samson Chukwuedo. I want us to take something from this tutorial. I realize that sometimes we use words like research title and research topic. And so many questions arose from those use of words. So my tutorial today is for research statistics minds and scholars in research. So no matter the category of researcher you are, be it a novice, you may even be a beginner, you may equally be an advanced beginner, a competent researcher, or you may even be a proficient researcher in all categories of higher education. Let's see if we can discuss the difference between a research title and a research topic. That is the essence of this lesson. So this lesson is simply, is a research topic different from a research title? Like I said earlier, many students ask questions. Is a research topic the same as research title? What are you figuring out now? Are they the same? Are they different? So figure it out from your mind. What do you think? Are they the same? Are they different? Nevertheless, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that subsequent videos will come your way. And I promise that a more revised video of this title or this topic will come up in the nearest future. In your formative experience or your summative experience as a researcher in the academic field, you might have had or read one or more of these statements. In a research textbook, you might have read that the first step in research is selecting and defining a research topic. So if that is the first step, could this thing called research topic be the same as title? You might have also come to your supervisor, a research supervisor, who frankly said, for us to have a good ground to start your thesis or dissertation, please provide a research topic. And the supervisor may be interested that you should not use more than 2 or 3 words to provide a research topic. Most cases, students get confused. How can I provide a research topic in 2 or 3 words? You might be an author of a manuscript and the reviewer gives you this kind of statement that your manuscript, which is a paper, has a good title, but the reviewer could not decipher the topic. You begin to ask yourself a question: what does this mean, title and topic? Another kind of statements you might have heard is that 2 or more researchers can handle a research topic, but with different titles. Obviously, looking at these 4 statements, I think they are indicators to the differences between a research topic and a research title. So what then is a research topic? A research topic is a subject of interest to the researcher. It is an area of interest that the researcher wants to look into. Take for instance, if a researcher is interested in narcissism in leadership, or you may say narcissistic behavior in leadership, that is an area of interest. It's a subject of interest to a researcher. A researcher may be interested in skill development among students. Skill development among students. That is an area of interest or subject of interest to the researcher. It could be political instabilities in a country. A public health researcher may be interested in pollutants among pregnant women. That is an area of interest to the researcher. Oh, a researcher may also be interested in investigating how an electronic device functions effectively. It is also an area of interest to the researcher. So these kind of areas of interest is simply termed a research topic. That means a research topic is an area or an issue that requires a research attention or a research solution. It also means that a research topic is broader in scope. Broader in scope in the sense that it does not necessarily give you a clear direction or meaning of what the study intends to do. In that case, we can say that a research topic is synonymous to a research problem. So, look at the 4 or 5 points raised here to describe a research topic. It is simply a subject of interest. It could be in 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, as the case may be. It's an area that is broad, that has not given someone a clear meaning of what the study intends to do. And then it is synonymous to a research problem. Having seen what a research topic is, what then is a research title? It is actually a title because it brings the topic to a focus. That is why we say that a research title brings the subject of interest or the area of interest to a focus. It does this by summarizing the main ideas of the study. Consider a researcher whose subject of interest is on skill development among students. If the researcher decides to investigate it in this direction, motivational initiatives for skills development among vocational education students. That makes it a title to the researcher. In this case, a research title actually explains the direction of the research. From the topic we have, not just skill development, but studied from the angle of motivational initiatives, and even among a category of students, which is vocational education students. In that same case, we can say that a research title explicitly or implicitly contains the core constructs or variables of the study. Then a research title is narrower or specific in scope, unlike the topic. We can equally say that a research title depicts the purpose of the study. So, having seen what we did about research topic, a topic is a subject of interest, but a title explains the subject of interest, shows the direction of the subject of interest. So a title is actually specific, while a topic is broader in scope. A title brings the purpose, but a topic shows the problem of the research. So having looked at the difference between research topic and research title, let's practice something. In concluding this lesson, let's consider this topic: graduates unemployment, or you can say graduates employability rather, graduates unemployment or graduates employability. If a researcher decides to look at this graduate unemployment or even graduate employability through an angle by looking into work-based model, a researcher may look at how this graduates employability skill can be stimulated through work-based learning and decide to craft a topic like this, stimulating prospective graduates employability skills via work-based learning mentorship. That makes it a title. So see the difference. Graduate employability as a topic, but stimulating prospective graduates' employability skills via work-based learning mentorship. That makes it a title. I want to believe that from this, we can actually see that there's a difference between a research topic and a research title. As research scholars, whether novice to proficiency, know it today that topic is not the same as title. There is a difference. I believe we have learned something from this tutorial today. But before we conclude it, I have a puzzle for you. Your puzzle is simply craft 5 other titles from the topic we see above. What's the topic? Graduate unemployment or graduate employability. Craft other 5 titles. You can equally raise a topic in your own subject area and then craft titles from it. I don't mean title, I mean titles. Just create a topic from your area and craft titles from it. I know that today's lesson will help many of us to adjust in the use of title and topic. But before I go, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get subsequent videos. Like I said earlier, in the nearest future, a more revised video of this lesson will come up. Thank you for listening.